Samsung officially announced the Galaxy Z Fold 4 5G at the August Unpacked event held on 10th August. The 2022 foldable beast is the successor of the previous year's Galaxy Z Fold 3, which set record sales as soon as it launched. The tech giant also unveiled the cute foldable flagship, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, alongside the chunky Z Fold 4 at the event. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 houses a massive 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X interior display and a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen as a cover display. It packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1 chipset for unmatched performance. Talking to upgrades, the 4th generation Samsung Foldable saw a massive camera boost over its predecessor. In this roundup, we have covered some of the best fast chargers for Galaxy Z Fold 4 that you can buy to efficiently charge the Samsung Foldable flagship in 2022. Since the Galaxy Z Fold 4 falls under the category of PPS certified device, it is recommended to use a PPS charger to experience super fast charging. For those unaware, Programmable Power Supply (PPS) is a standard that refers to the advanced charging technology of all USB-C devices. In layman's terms, this technology delivers maximum power output based on the device's charging status by modifying voltage and current in real time. Apart from charging the compatible smartphones, all the chargers included in our list are fully compatible with almost every brand that ships USB-C and USB-A devices or gadgets. Furthermore, since most consumer electronics are going USB-C, so these chargers will come in handy more often. If you are an avid traveler and looking for a charger kit that covers your traveling homestay needs, this one is perfect for you. The first charger kit from VELOGK includes a dual-port USB car charger, a 25-watt power adapter, and a pair of Type-C to Type-C nylon braided cables. This first Type-C charger for Galaxy Z Fold 4 utilizes the adaptive fast charging PPS technology to deliver super fast charging on compatible devices. For your reference, it can fully charge the Galaxy S21 Ultra in an hour and 10 minutes. Taking this into consideration, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should be charged completely at a similar time if you use the right charging cable. It is widely compatible with smartphones across different products such as iPhone 13 series, Google Pixel, etc. This Galaxy Z Fold 4 charger kit also includes a 45-watt dual-port fast car charger. You can use the two different ports, one PD or PPS USB-C port and one QC 3.0 USB-A port. Revive a couple of devices when you are on a road trip with your friends. The 25-watt PD or PPS port can be used to charge the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Z Flip 4, or an iPhone with a suitable cable, whereas the single USB-A port can be used to charge an additional device as your earbuds, tablet, or any kind of USB device. The two nylon braided cables shipped in this charger ensures durability and ensures flawless charging as well as respectable data transmission speeds of 480 Mbps. What's the best is that is backed by a 12-month after-sales warranty. In short, it is the best value for money charger kit for Galaxy Z Fold 4 owners and is among the best tech gifts for your friends.